Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we are going to be learning how to make GIF on Picsart. If you want to create a GIF in Picsart, then you can easily do it using the AI GIF generator. Open up your Picsart application, and once you're inside the main homepage, scroll through the AI tools where you can see the AI GIF generator option. Tap on it. And then you will need to describe your GIF with a prompt. Enter the description for the GIF you want to create. Make sure to be as specific as possible. After entering the details or your prompt, under Styles category, go ahead and select the desired art style for your GIF. After you do that, you can also select the quality, color, moods, and other options as well. Finally, click on Create or Generate GIF at the bottom. Select your preferred style to generate your GIF and click on the next button at the bottom right. Wait for a few minutes and then you will be able to create a GIF using AI on Picsart. Remember to make your prompts shorter, since shorter GIFs tends to perform better on social media. After you are done creating your GIF, click on Save and Share at the bottom right. Click on Download or View, and that is how you make a GIF in Picsart. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.